Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Süti silicone phone back. Now you can pick these up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price for these, $40. Alright, so let's get right into it. Now I've seen these on Instagram, and I had to have them. Here's the website, Süti.co. Silicone phone back. Okay, now like I said, $40. Comes in a bunch of different colors. Okay, so you got warm gray, you got poppy red, matte black, you got marine blue, and hunter green. Now available for a bunch of different iPhones. You got the 14 and the 15, all of the different series. Okay, but I'm going to show y'all the 15 Pro Max. Now this is a phone back, okay? Precision engineered, minimalistic design. Enhances rather than interferes with your MagSafe. Okay, so still MagSafe compatible. And these are for people who don't like phone cases. All right, this is a minimalistic design. All right, so let's check these out. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White shoes?
My white shoes.
Calm down. Okay, here we go. Now I'm going to keep this one short and sweet. Okay, so this is the Süti silicone phone back. Let's check out some of the different colors. Okay. Now this is going to be black. Okay, simple presentation. A nice silicone phone back with the MagSafe compatibility. Let's see if this is MagSafe by itself. Look, that's MagSafe on it. Okay, by itself. So it definitely enhances your MagSafe. And we'll just slap it right on the back. Now let's get a little wipe down, because it is silicone. Get those cat hairs out of the way. Now check this out. Now you just got a jet black iPhone. Oh, this is sick. This is sick, and let's see. Let's try maximum flappage. This is not going to pop off. Let's do a little drop test. Right? Should I have to activate shoes? Oh, this is dope. This is dope. Minimalistic design, and of course, MagSafe compatible. Simple and effective tech right here. I love it. Let's check out some of the other colors, okay? So now we got the blue, marine blue. Okay. I happen to have the blue iPhone. Okay. Again, just magnetizes right on the back. Look how clean this looks. All right, so you got your phone on the table like this. It looks like you just got a blue iPhone. This is sick. Okay, this is sick. And like I said, when I seen this on Instagram, I wanted it immediately. I'm feeling this. All right, so the black and the blue. Let's try the gray for the titanium iPhone. Okay, now if you want to just rock your titanium iPhone, but you want some protection, okay, slaps right on the back. MagSafe. Everything works. Oh, this magnet is super strong, though. My little spin right there. Here's how the gray looks. Oh, this is fire right here. This is fire. And like I said, look, these ain't they're not gonna just pop off. I'm gonna try to land it on the side. You see? They're not gonna pop off. Pretty dope. Now let's see how hard it is to take these off. Oh, not hard at all. Giggity. Okay. Let's try the green. Okay. Minimalistic stuff. I like this. Just like that, now we got a green iPhone 15 Pro Max with no extra thickness, no extra weight. This is tough. Now, I got one more. Let's take off the cool gray. Y'all know what's coming. I had to get the red. This is the one, when I seen it on Instagram, I was like, I must own this immediately. Here it is. Now I got the cherry red iPhone. This is what I've been waiting for. Minimalistic design, just a little branding right there. Okay, you could barely even see it. How dope is that? This is sick. Anyway, these are the black is tough too. Let's try one more. Matter of fact, if you got a black iPhone and you want to turn it into titanium, kind of has that look to it. I am feeling these. Anyway, these are the Süti silicone, let me say that correctly. The Süti silicone phone backs. $40 on these. You need that red. Okay, you need that red. This is tough. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat towards the lap. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes. Pitch and roll. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise. Spock here.
Spock, one to beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize.
Hey guys, Jerry Springer here. Subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real reviews. He has a tech channel on YouTube, and he already has over 2 million subscribers, so give him a look. You may like it, and it could be very useful. Take care of yourself and each other.